It's race day. Only 8th mile, but still, let's get to racing. What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage, and today we are finally going racing. This is the first time we've had the car out since CamaroCon. That's October, November, December, January. It's been almost 5 months. That's insanity. Not quite, it's like 4.5. But yeah, we got the car loaded up on the Big Tex trailer. Got the Lethal truck all ready to go, and we're headed up to Barona. So today's goals are make sure the car still runs good, dial in a launch, get the car actually tuned, because if you guys remember at CamaroCon we were running off a street tune. So we're gonna dial the car in based on the build, all that stuff today. It's really gonna come down to, is the track prepped? So prep is gonna be the win or the loss for us today. We won't know how it all pans out. So, and that sun is coming up starting to blind me. So we'll see how it all pans out. We'll see if it's a good day. If prep is good, it should be a good day. I have no idea what the DA is gonna be, but let's get up to Barona and have a good day. Well, we made it. We're at Barona. Got here a little bit early, which is good. Got the car unloaded, all prepped, ready to go. Got tire pressure set. Probably gonna have to lower them again because it's cold, but everyone's warming up their hot rods. This is my fastest hot rod that I brought today. That thing is probably the best investment I ever made for track days, like getting to the restroom and stuff. Awesome. Got my little table. We got shade, so I didn't pull the tent out yet, but we'll see. We'll see if we need it. But the car is ready. Now we just gotta pass tech and see if they're gonna let us run full speed. The biggest difference, I ripped off the bumper last night and I put off the cutoff switch was required. So you can see that right there. People on my Instagram feed thought I was putting a tow hook, but no, that is a cutoff switch. So yeah, we're good to go. Let's see if we can get some good times today. Well, ladies and gents, for the first time ever, we are fully approved in tech. I don't know why, but that makes me really excited. We don't have to let off, we don't have to do nothing. I just gotta run the car straight down the track, see what happens. So Mike's not quite here yet. Once he gets here, we'll be able to start dialing it in. I'll probably go do a pass just on its own accord, just to see how it's running, see how it feels. But outside of that, I'm excited. Let's go do it. Well, that launch was basically at idle. Something happened though, midway down the track. We're having something electronic weird is happening. So, well, you're not gonna log this one?
So every problems.
So what? So we're about halfway down the track and it just starts freaking out. The car doesn't want to shift. It's not doing nothing. It's like an electrical gremlin of hell. Like, I don't even know if it's electrical at this point. So it could just be the ECU or the BCM. So we just did a whole negative terminal reset. We've gone through everything. The interesting part is when the car started freaking out is when the log started freaking out. So it could have been an HB tuner issue with it being plugged in, because like it got all haywire as well. So we don't know if it's car side or computer side or whatever. So we're gonna swap laptops, we're gonna relog it, we're gonna try again and see what happens. So the launch was a 136 60 foot, which is not amazing, but again, keep in mind I launched at idle. So I'm gonna give it a little more. The prep here is, it's not LVMS prep, but it's not terrible because the car did leave and I didn't have a ton of tire spin, so that's a good sign. So let's just get some more runs, see what happens. Well, we had a good run, but the car's breaking up at the top end. Now, it could be spark plug wires, or it could be spark plugs. Well, I have an extra set of spark plugs with me, so we'll swap those, even though the ones in the car are brand friggin' new. Yay. So, I'm gapping these right now to 22, and yeah, going from there. Technically we say we've gone the fastest I've ever gone in the 8th mile. I just realized, I thought I went faster at LVMS, but here I still didn't launch the car. We never had a scenario where we were able to launch the car right, unfortunately. The biggest downside is just overcoming all the issues. We had breakups happening at the end, we had the electrical problem, we had the stupid line lock problem, but we resolved it all, got a couple passes. This last pass I went up against a Mustang. Red lit and the car started freaking out again and went into tour mode, and I don't know what's going on. So we're gonna go back, we're gonna check things out, look at all the computers. Something's not right, so I don't know, but we did go our fastest. So previously at LVMS we did, this is just 8th mile, we did 1365 60 foot with a 6198 8th. And then today we did 6158. We did pick up 2 mile an hour, so that's always good. And we picked up a little bit on the 60 foot, but again, still didn't get to launch the car at full power. So the last time I went up, the guy was double lit and it's set up Pro Tree, so it just freaking went. So I didn't have time to really get on it very much. And that's fine. I mean, I wanted to come out and see how the car would do. Haven't been up to Barona in a while. It's nice up here. The car's hooking, so normally we blow the tires off here, so maybe it's just the converter and the setup we're running now, running the FTI converter, and things seem to just be working out. So that's all I got. That's it. We're here at Barona, or we're leaving Barona. I already got the car in the trailer, but we got to get packed up. I don't know if anybody else is ready. It's last call already. It's 4 o'clock. Unfortunately, it took a little while to resolve problems, so we didn't get that many runs in. I think I only got 5 runs, but only 2 runs that were full runs. So that's that. Either or, thanks for checking everything out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Next time we're going to get quarter-mile runs, because we really got to see what this car can do. We got to get the trans computer dialed in, and we still got to finish dialing the car in the higher gears. So yay. Until next time, guys. See you on the road.